So I started flying in 2011. It was kind of a lifelong bucket list thing. Got my private pilot's rating and then an instrument rating, and then about a year and a half after that I bought a V-tail Bonanza, V-35B, great airplane. We were dating in that airplane.
And he actually proposed to me in that airplane.
Yeah. A family situation happened, and one of the things always on my bucket list was to fly a jet. So after this situation happened, I realized that life was short and I needed to fly. If I wanted to fly a jet, I needed to do it while I was still capable of doing that. So 3.5 years ago, we bought this beautiful little Citation M2, and I went to school, got my type rating, and we've been flying it ever since. It was going to be a 3-year experiment, but we fell so much in love with the capability and the freedom of having the jet that we've decided just to keep it and enjoy it. So this year we finally got to go to our first CJP conference in Austin, and it was a great experience. We learned so much about the airplane and flying it. CJP was just fabulous and put on a great event.
And it's wonderful for companions as well too. It was my first time going, and it was so well done.
And we were at the auction dinner, and Tamarack was gracious enough to donate a set of winglets for the auction, and we thought, what the heck, we'll bid on them, and lo and behold, we won.
It was a bidding war, though. We weren't the only ones bidding, so we got into a good bidding war. So we felt like they were.
It was a great cause. We were able to help out CJP and then get a great addition onto our plane. Now we're excited to get to fly it and see what these things will do, really.
Knowing that we had the opportunity to have something like this added to the plane to allow us to, for me, to enjoy our trips a little bit better and not be nervous or skittish. And we do like to fly. We like to vacation. We have a home in North Carolina up in the mountains, and so I am really looking forward to just enjoying our flights a little bit more and not worrying about the turbulence. I know pilots, it doesn't bother them quite as much, but for me, this is a huge benefit.
So working with Tamarack has been just amazing. They've gone over and above in every way with trying to work out a time we could get the plane over here to get it worked on, to get the work done, to taking care of us on the visit, and even now they've been fabulous to work with. I kind of was really surprised because we bought it from CJP as an auction item, so it's a gift they made, but then they've gone way overboard on how they've treated us and how the whole experience has been to get these done. So they've been fabulous. So we're really happy to have had this done, and as I said, Tamarack has just been amazing to work with. We're proud and excited to become part of the Tamarack family, and I can't wait till Monday when we can get in this and fly it and see what it'll do, and see how close to Dayton, Ohio we can get from Sandpoint, Idaho.
And I'll be in the back enjoying the non-turbulent flight home.